Hi guys, so today's video I have a viovet package. I didn't order a lot from viovet, in all honesty. I ordered like 4 things, but I actually was in desperate need of hamster food. I have ordered, looked, I've tried. The only problem is I ordered several different foods offline for my hamsters because I mix several different brands together. I mix a couple of mixes because I like my mixes to be really varied. I've just got one hamster up. And I ran out of hamster food about 4 days ago, so I've had loads and loads of veggies just these past 4 days. No, 5. I think it's been about 5 days. I've had nothing. So yeah, so here's finally my food. So yeah, it's 4 thingy in a package, but I do really like package opening, so I'm just going to film a package opening today. Hi guys, so here's my order. So yeah, so the first thing I got is some ready grass. I love feeding the pigs ready grass. It's really good for them. It encourages them to eat more hay, even though my guinea pigs eat a lot of hay. I just like ready grass, it's really good variation for them. And it's really green as well. So there's just lots in the back. This is not actually to replace hay within the guinea pig's diet, it's just something to add with it. Like, getting a lot of fibre. See? Yeah, so that, right, did I get an invoice? They never ever send invoices. I find it to be a really frustrating thing. But yeah, that was, I think, £3, I'm not sure. Hello, lady. So the next thing I got was, the main reason why I actually ordered was this food. So I've been originally ordered off that UK because I think that UK is so much better value than viovet, and my only annoyance is with the packaging. It's just the box. So I was going to order this off at UK. They had it in stock, but they didn't have it in stock on Amazon when I need to order off Amazon the other day. So highly frustrating. This is one of my favourite hamster mixes, and I mix this in with the Harry Hamster and the other Supreme food, and it's probably one of the better mixes. I think this was £2 something. Yeah, it's decent protein content. Fibre can always be added fresh. Because I'm feeding like 2 different age groups. So I'm feeding 2 hamsters, 3 hamsters that are under 1, and 1 hamster that's over 18 months old. So I've got to kind of have fibre and all this stuff. And this food is really good food, and I really like it. And you could probably feed this food on its own. And yeah, it's a really high quality brand. I do like the company Mr. Johnson's. Then the next thing I got was for the dogs, and it is the viovet natural dog treats chicken breast fillets. I've never actually tried these before. Like, if the dogs like them, I might just go buy another one. This like white stuff, just put in the bin. And this was, I believe, £2 something. It's only the 100g bag. You don't get much in it, but yeah, it's fine. So yeah, and then the last thing I got was this, and this is just some Science Selective, like the new Science Selective food, and I don't know how I feel about it. Hopefully I like it. But yeah, so that's just this. So yeah, that is just the complete hamster food. This is actually the brand new one. I think it's the exact same. I don't know why they changed it, because it's literally the exact same ingredients, just not in the love hearts, and I really like the love hearts. So yeah, that's all my food. I'm gonna have this one out. I take all foods like run out, but like a good 6 months away, you know. But yes, that's basically everything I ordered. What are you doing? I'm so overexcited. When I'm not in the room, she doesn't even act like this. Because she wants to come out, but I'll get her out in a little bit. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.